Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot DKIM in Gmail. So there are a lot of steps to this. So the first one is to verify DKIM is set up correctly. Then verify messages past DKIM authentication. You can look at the message headers in email to see whether messages sent from your domain pass DKIM authentication checks. Verify DKIM key is correct at domain provider. Most DKIM TXT records can have up to 255 characters. You cannot enter a 2048-bit key as a single text string with a 255 character TXT record limit. Your DKIM key might be truncated or your DKIM records might be sent out of order. Check message forwarding. Even when DKIM is correctly set up for your domain, forwarded messages can fail DKIM. This can result of how a mail server forwards messages. Verify domain provider TXT record character limits. If you get an error when you enter DKIM value, your domain provider might limit the number of characters allowed in the DNS TXT record. Check the number of DKIM signatures. Messages can be signed with more than one DKIM signature. However, Gmail checks only the first 5 signatures listed in the authentication results message header. Gmail checks these signatures in the order they appear in the header. If the authenticating signature isn't one of the first 5 signatures listed in the header, the message fails DKIM authentication. This might also cause the message to fail DMARC. Review your email sending practices. If DKIM is set up correctly, but messages are sent to spam, the cause might be something other than DKIM. Contact admins for server rejecting DKIM signed messages. If DKIM is set up correctly, receiving server may still reject messages sent from your domain or send messages to recipient's spam folder. That's it. Thanks for watching.